Embracing cloud technology and cultivating an innovative mindset are not limited to elite data scientists or company leaders. You can cultivate this mindset in your role, in your team, and across your organization, no matter where you are. Grab a piece of paper and write down your answers to the following 4 questions. First, what is your why? Write down in one sentence what your mission statement is. Then take this one step further and write down your team's mission and finally your organization's mission. Next, who is your user? What are some ways you're focusing on their expectations and meeting those expectations in your day-to-day activities? When you know who your users are, ask yourself, how might I use new technology to serve them 10 times better? And finally, what would it take to launch your first idea? How much time do you spend perfecting an idea before sharing a first draft and iterating it with feedback? Are there ways you can launch and iterate more often? Let's look at a sample set of answers to these questions with a recent use case. Jorge is on the IT support team at a multi-region enterprise. His why is to ensure that all employees are able to do their best work with the right access to the right digital tools. This means that Jorge's users are not the direct customer. Instead, they are the employees who work in the company. They expect to be able to easily connect with the support team at any given time, get a resolution to their issues without disruption to their work, and provide feedback for improved services. When 2020 brought us dramatic changes across the world and forced many employees to work remotely, Jorge needed to provide support at scale. He needed a solution that was 10 times better than what he and his team used to do when everyone could simply walk up to a support desk or file a ticket. He mobilized a team of 10 and set up a site called TechShop that was accessible by anyone logged into their corporate laptop. They added several new services to enable employees to reach them and to resolve their issues, including screen share via Google Meet. As they gathered feedback from users, they were able to improve the resolution time. In fact, based on the data collected about the most common issues, they were able to implement a repeatable workflow that automatically resolved users' issues upfront upon completing a digital questionnaire. Let's look at another example. Shreya is part of the logistics team for a retail company. Her company embraced cloud technology and digital transformation, so they now serve many customers via their online store. She quickly shifted her own role from managing in-store inventory to coordinating fleet management, including driver schedules, delivery prioritization, and overall efficiency. Her why is to get customers what they need when they need it. Before the pandemic, Shreya met her customers' needs directly in the stores, and now she caters to her customers across the country through large-scale delivery. Her users are there for both the end customer and the drivers who are making this mission possible. As her team adapted their business model amid a pandemic that prompted the need for a major technological shift to meet greater online demand from customers, Shreya relied heavily on the launch and iterate principle to do her part. She began identifying innovative opportunities by collecting data from the end-to-end delivery process, from wait times to loading the delivery trucks to time and traffic to delivery. Based on early data, she was able to find more efficient methods for loading boxes. But that's not all. Shreya and her team compiled all of their data sources with cloud technology to predict customer demand per specific day of the week. This insight drastically improved her business operations overall. Now, these are just 2 examples of how embracing the innovation mindset can unlock digital transformation in any role. Now it's your turn. With these examples in mind, take some time to answer the questions for your role. Up next, I'll summarize the key topics we covered in this course.